Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. I wanted to do a really calm, relaxed wig review for you guys. I really haven't been in the best mood lately and I needed to film, and I was like, you know what? I can't force myself to put on makeup, so I'm just not going to. So we are going to do a no filter, no makeup wig review. This wig I purchased with my own money from Amazon. It is a 24-inch body wave human hair closure wig, and it was less than $150. The link will be in the description bar. The knots did not come pre-bleached, so I'm showing you guys here that I did bleach them. I slightly over bleached them, but you know what? It's okay. We're gonna move on. It's whatever. And then I'm gonna go in and tweeze up the closure. This is a 4x4, and I followed lovely Brianna's 4x4 closure customization video. I'm not sure the exact name, but I will link her video down below, and she has a lot of really good tips and things that I've never seen anybody else do. So I followed her video to go ahead and pluck and thin out the closure area, and I think that it ended up looking really nicely. I'm really not going to talk too much in this video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. I feel like everything is pretty self-explanatory from here on out. I hope you guys enjoy this relaxing video. So I'm going to stop talking. If you guys are here for this vibe, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the link to this wig will be in the description bar below if you're interested. Bye.